teacher Ambreen from class PG Nursery. I hope you all are doing good and having a great time at home. My dears, I have a very amazing activity for you guys today. The activity says you have to circle the picture according to the letter. So, I am moving on to the book. From book, I am going to tell you about how to conduct this activity. So, let's move on to the book. So, my dears, take out your English workbook, page number 16. First, read the caption with me. Circle the picture according to the letter. Very good, my dears. So, there are so many pictures. What you are going to do is you are going to color them as well if you want to. So my dears, we have two pictures here. यहाँ पे हमारे पास दो pictures हैं. हमने उन दोनों pictures में से देखना है कि किसकी जो beginning sound है वो इस letter की है. Very good. It's the letter B. B makes the sound B. B, B. Yes, B, B. B, B, burger. Wow, the first picture says the sound of B, the letter B. So we have to circle this picture. B, B, burger. Very good, my dears. We are not going to circle the fish because fish makes the sound F. So, F is not the sound of B. Next we have two pictures again, drum and an elephant. It's the letter E. E, elephant. E, elephant. Drum beginning sound is not E, A. It's D, D. So we have to circle elephant here. E, A, elephant. Very good, my dears. Next we have a pair of a car and a flower. It's a car. Car. It's the beginning sound of car is K. K, car. And it's F, flower. F. F is the sound of letter F. So we have to circle flower here. F, flower. Very good. Next we have the letter D and the pictures are dolphin and apple. Dolphin. D, D. Oh my God, we find the picture already. D, D. D, D, dolphin. The letter D makes the sound D and the beginning sound of dolphin is also D. D, D, dolphin. We have to circle dolphin here. Very good. Next we have a pair of an ant and a carrot. Ant and a carrot. It's the letter C. The letter C makes the sound K. So now we have to find the picture which beginning letter is K. हमने ऐसी तस्वीर अब इनमें से चूज करनी है जिसका beginning sound ख हो, सी ख sound दे. It's ant. A. It's not the sound of letter C. This is carrot. Carrot. K, k, carrot. So we have to circle this carrot. क्योंकि इसकी beginning sound letter C की है. Very good. Next we have the picture pair aeroplane and bells. Aeroplanes. Wow. The first picture says the letter sound of A. A, aeroplane. Circle this with me. Very good, my dears. Read the words with me again. B, burger. E, elephant. F, flower. D, dolphin. C, carrot. A, airplane. Very good, my dears. Now, you have to perform this activity at your homes. Thank you so very much.